I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever afters did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Yeah, you turn your back on tomorrow, but you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever afters did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm
Oh, how despicable of me. With ripple wings off butterflies, should be ripping tales of a fairy. Whenever our favorite songs played on the radio, have to change stations, love songs are unbearable. At the payphone, no change, hatred crescendos, emotions irrepressible. Sent to fuel my heartbreak, hysterical. Was a fan of country, but now I tolerate heavy metal. Incidentally, I was unwise, miserable, but actually doing just fine. At the intersection of cope and content, what good are you on my past, causing me to reminisce? So what are the odds that this payphone only takes nickels and dimes? Give you the rest I had left a few months ago at the exact payphone where I was calling you mine.
I'm at a payphone trying